Hi, this is Mrs. Benfer,
And I'm Hunter.
and we are going to show you an easy way to log into MAP skills. First, start off at the Bishop Dunn Memorial School website and scroll down to the bottom of the page. What's down here, Hunter?
MAP student login.
If you click on that, this screen should pop up.
Wait, that's not my username.
Oh, good catch, Hunter. You should never log into anything that's not yours. So let's delete that out and get rid of the password. And I'm going to put in an imaginary login. Hunter, do you know what the password is for everyone?
Bishop, with a lowercase b.
Perfect. And make sure it says let me in at the bottom of the page and just click on that. Those passwords and usernames should have been sent home with your student in their backpack, but teachers, Mrs. Brow and I, we all have access to the passwords and to the usernames. Here is our imaginary account. This is a 7th grade student. And what is this about, Hunter? Can you explain this to us?
That's all of your subjects and what you have to do in your MAP skills.
Okay, so this is our mission control. Good, Hunter. How often should you be going to mission control?
10 minutes each night.
10 minutes each night. And these will be lessons based on your ability level. And these will help you to improve your skills. So I'm going to click here in math, and you can see, do it now. Once you click on these lessons, you will have different lessons to do. And you can also click on your progress to see how many lessons you've done this year. Nice thumbs up there for positive reinforcement. If you go back to mission control, you can also see go to rewards. Now, Hunter, do you go to rewards?
No.
No, because you're intrinsically motivated. You don't need rewards to help you do your lessons. But if you are a younger student who maybe likes to see the rewards pop up, that's what's on this page. So once you complete a lesson or complete a skill, you will get a little icon on this page to watch your growth. Okay, so Hunter said you should go on about 10 minutes each night, but sometimes students are really busy. So we also have time during the day, during academic flex, during center time in the younger classrooms, and also in our just any time during the day when the students have free time. Mrs. Bro is setting up tech time for them to visit the tech lab and complete their skills. Now, if you forget your username and password, what's one area that you can look at?
Your Google Keep.
Your Google Keep. So if you, many students have their login information saved in their Google Keep. So I think this is pretty easy. What do you think, Hunter?
Yes.
It absolutely is. So have a great day and keep working on your skills. Thank you. Oh my goodness, Hunter, I almost forgot something. What did I forget? The most important thing to do?
To log out.
Always log out every time you are leaving one of your programs or your Google Classroom. I will log out and say proceed with logout, and then we'll say have a great day. Thanks for your help, Hunter.
You're welcome.